like teaching, it's all about communication, isn't it? Constantly, it's all day. And so, but we do very little training in that. So actually, if we can train our staff in how to have all of those conversations at the various levels, I fully agree. I've had so many staff say that was the best training that I actually ever did with them for a whole lot of reasons. And then culturally as a staff, it then gave us all the framework when we were going to have if we were going to disagree on how things were done, a process or an assessment or whatever. And actually now everyone goes, okay, we're about to do, and we've all got a framework. Yes. We've all got common language. We've got a common approach that we know we're actually going to address the issue, not the person so much. And that changed it, because now we had a culture where there wasn't a fear, and there wasn't I've got to put up with that, because there's only so long you'll put up with something before you go, it's just not worth it anymore. So therefore, actually, let's allow our staff to work through that. So I agree, that was the best training I ever did with staff.